Congratulations in advance to all the IPOB people. Hey, I know say you na go dey dance, na go dey melody, na go dey laugh to this kind news. The news dey circulate for all social media. Wey be say all the Northern Coalition, they don't gather head together, they don't gather mouth together, they beg the Senate President and the Speaker of House of Rep. They beg them say, see, before you amend this Nigerian, what they call a Nigerian Constitution, make una exit Southeast from Nigeria. We don't want anything to do with them again. Now this Northern people they talk and say, I beg, make una free IPOB. You come back as you say that time, during Moses, where this man talk and where Moses go meet Pharaoh, say, let my people go, let my people go. Now ain't come make all these other people they shout, say, see, Senate President, make una free all these IPOB people, free all these Southeast. They talk say they don't want to become one Nigeria. They talk say they don't want to be one Nigeria again. Say they want to get their own country. Make we free them. Make them they go on their own. They can't talk and say no be say they get one thing. Maybe say that they do for us. They don't get one thing. Maybe say in special. We fit stand on our own without all these Southeast people. They can't ask them why did you want all of a sudden. They be like say now all these Northern people they talk and before say now one Nigeria, nobody fit split, one Nigeria, we no fit split oh, we no fit do this new. Why we say now you we talk and say we no fit split, now you still talk and say make we exit Southeast from Nigeria. And so all this Northern Coalition come talk and say you see all the killing where they happen for Southeast, then they die 247 for Southeast, and we they prevent all this civil war where happen that time for 19 something wey happen that time 1905 1907 where civil war happen that time. Say we don't want that kind of thing to happen again for this time. That's why we dey beg you now before you amend this Nigerian Constitution, say make you now free all these Southeast people, free them, let them go since they think say they can handle the government on their own, since they think say the government dey easy, since they think say they get the what they call am the necessary equipment, necessary money, necessary everything. People say they think and say they fit use them to the finance themselves. Say if they think they can stand on their own, make we free them. Now waiting the Northern Coalition, I want to tell the Senate President and the Speaker of House of Rep. I be that I know say Beleg with the sweet some Southeast people now say thank God at last our dream now they achieve. Talk say many things back. Me I would like to ask you one question. Now that in Northern people now they talk and say they don't want in Southeast again, are you people ready for the new country? We say they won't give you now. Because now the question will be say me I go ask now be that now no say you know easy to for as in you know easy to establish a country. I tell you, you know easy many things go dey involved. I thought now true say all the Southeast people then get better things for their side. They get, you know, say anywhere every say you day and there's no Southeast people there, that day, that place, come they watch yourself. You know, they say they be business oriented. I actually trust them. I trust all the Southeast people. Say then they're ready for the new country. Maybe say they won't give them so. But the thing we say with the Senate President and the Speaker of House of Rep, will they approve the request of the Northern Coalition? And the question be that will they approve them? Because all the things where they hear we say no splitting, the splitting of Nigeria is unquestionable. Now we will know what will go happen now. Maybe the federal government will hear the cry of the Northern Coalition, or we go see they on thing we say we day now. But before then, make I hear your opinion about this thing. IPOB people, are you happy about this opinion? We will say the Northern Coalition, we will say the break. All the Northern people, are you happy with waiting this waiting this Northern Coalition talk? We will say they talk say this Southeast say they not even they do something better for Nigeria self. Say if you stand without them, waiting I think about time. Make I hear your opinion. We hear everything. So IPOB the streets belly, your belly the streets for one side. For one side now. Make I hear your opinion. Waiting they happen, waiting you not think. My name na MC Top Secret. I dey everywhere. Don't forget to follow me. See you in my next edition. Thank you.